It's 6 a.m. I'm up. I'm dressed. I'm drinking some coffee. Oh, that's nice. Not when I get it in your mouth, but otherwise. Screen on. I was creasing the crap yesterday. I was creasing the crap in my eyebrows because if I don't get to it, I'm gonna forget it. Probably 1, which is not all that much sleep when you get up at 6, so. And I didn't get. Sorry, that's my horribly annoying, my really annoying ringtone for waking my ass up that I like. That being makeup and talking to you guys, and or at least connecting with you visually. Yes, I always have to be sad when I wake up and I'm not actually involved with Jason Mraz. I've been watching some cruelty-free people, ladies that are Australian and or New Zealand, and their accents keep getting stuck in my head, so. There's nothing cuter than the Beagle snore. Oh my god. So cute. Sometimes he howls in his sleep. I have to wake him up and I have to be like, it's okay buddy, you're just having a bad dream. So this is the gel liner. Swiss chocolate. It's rubbing me on natural face. I'm gonna do a little bit of highlighter. There is still a lightning bug in my room from last night. That is so bizarre. Better leave the door open so I can get out. I'm trying to use my fan brush, I never use it. I really like it. I want to find a use for it. This is the finished look. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a peaceful day. Peace.